We're just getting ready to head out to go pheasant hunt with a couple of friends. And it's gonna be windy today. I think it's blowing out of the north at pretty close to 20, maybe 15 to 20. So it's blowing pretty hard, but that should make the birds fly into the wind, so it should be pretty good for pheasant hunting other than snow. It's colder than the last few days, so I think it should be pretty good. And we're gonna head out now. Well, I have to get dressed. We're gonna head out and hopefully go shoot some birds. So see you guys back out there, and let's hope we kill a ton.
Remy acts like there's one. Slow down, slow down. There's definitely one right here. I will. There's definitely one running. There's one right here running. Yeah, follow her. It's running. Follow her. Remy, whoa! Remy, slow down. Slow down. That's out. They're running. We're good. Right out in front.
There he is, Brewster.
Yeah, he ran to the creek and got up. He was right in front of us. She was going nuts in front of Dylan. There might be more. There might be more. Get him, P. Get him. Get him. Get him. Where's he at? Get ready. P's on one. Get him, P. Get him, P. Come on, get him, P. Get him. There's one right in here. Get him, P. Where's it at? Where's it at? There's one. She's... Okay. Get him, P.
Oh, she's jumping. She's jumping. Usually when she jumps, I mean, she's trying to pounce, like jump on it. She's right here. Be ready. It's probably gonna come out the left side so far.
Hunt him up. Where's the bird? Yeah.
Pretty colors though.
I knew she smelled one. Can we put it in my backpack or yours?
I'll put it in yours.
Okay.
Can we hold this in?
Yeah.
You can hear flap his wings.
She had him on the ground. Good girl. I told you there was... There goes one right in the corn. Just start going up. Drew, keep on going and we'll push it up to this corner. I know, I'm saying you go there, we'll just kind of push it up to here and then we'll go back. Remy, back! Remy, back! Get ready, Dylan. Remy, back! Come here! There goes a deer. Remy, back! Remy, back! Here, get up. Remy, back! Come up, Pete. Okay. Remy, back!
He gave me a good shot. What did he say? Call her back. No, it's a rooster. He got up at about 40 yards. No, he was in range for the first two shots. This will be a good afternoon hunt, Dad. Oh, Brock, look at them all. Another rooster. There's another rooster that just flew in the ditch. Here, I'm gonna try to get in the corn. Be a little quieter. Fuck. I know. There's about 7 of them that flew already. Most of them already flew away. I know. Oh, right there's rooster. Landed right in the edge of the corn. So she just wants to stay right here? Yeah. They know we're hunting this thing, that's where they all ran. They all ran this way, to our right. There's a rooster, there's 2 roosters that landed right there. Yeah, you can hunt that. All of them, pretty much. Hey, no.
Hey, there's gotta be more.
No, they all flew.
Come on. Remy, come. Remy, come.
Don't let her go in there. There's 2 roosters right there.
Hunter, Remy, come. Come on.
They all flew. They all went back to the corn. I know. Surprised there's not one straggler. Oh yeah, he's crossed. How'd you let me shoot him again?
I work for Grandpa during
Yeah, it does. Right. Well, we're lucky that they got done picking yesterday, then, huh? Good start. Come on, come up. He landed right where those rocks are. Come on, Pete. Get him. Where's he at? Hunt him up. Just a second. He might be right here. Where's he at? Where's he at? He landed right. He landed right on the other side. Huh? There's a what? Bring! Remy, come here! Come here! I know. Come here. Good girl.